Do you have a yearning for the higher echelons of affiliate marketing? If your answer is a resounding yes, then this groundbreaking webinar we're about to share is tailored just for you. It is the ladder for ambitious go-getters like yourself who seek to optimize their profits and transcend the ordinary. This isn't a regular training session. It's a revelation of a system that has generated a staggering $23 million plus online. But the best part? You'll be shown precisely how to assimilate this strategy into your unique business framework. Let's face it, we've all witnessed numerous traditional online business models collapse like a deck of cards. This webinar will bring to light the 3 underlying causes behind such failures. And more importantly, the missing puzzle piece that industry gurus seldom reveal. Excited already? There's more. This program empowers you to rake in up to $3,493 in commissions from just one conversion. You don't even have to do the selling yourself. It's all about triggering the 3 tried and tested profit levers that could potentially earn you up to $33,078 monthly. It doesn't matter if you are just starting off or have been struggling to make your first dollar online. We don't stop there. You also get to learn how to access high-ticket automated webinars that are already prepared for you. This tool speeds up your journey to generating sales as an affiliate. The icing on the cake? This multi-million-dollar system can be integrated into your business in approximately 27 minutes. You heard that right, 27 minutes to transform your financial future. Don't procrastinate. Limited slots are available, and you can't afford to miss out on this golden opportunity. Be proactive and book your spot in the training now. The link is right here in the description.